My name is Miranda and I work at United Technologies Corporation in Peshtigo, Wisconsin. My job title here at UTC is a quality control inspector. I inspect the parts as they come in from outside vendors. I make sure that the part conforms to blueprints and drawings, check the material to make sure the material is what it was properly made out of. And I also do first check inspections on the parts that are run in the machine shop, just to make sure that they meet the drawing and there's no non-conformances. The degrees that I hold are from UW-Marinette. I have a 2-year associate's degree. I then went on to UW Green Bay. The reason why I chose UW-Marinette was because it was close to home. My family is very important to me, so it was important that I stay close to them. The cost of tuition was a big factor in my decision, as well as the location, yeah. I really enjoyed the personal relationships I developed with the teachers that were there. It was very easy to talk to them, to get feedback on how well you were doing or how poorly you were doing in a certain area.
My name is Jennifer Perkett and I work at United Technologies Aerospace Systems. My job title right now is Environmental Health and Safety Specialist. And my responsibilities include keeping all of our written safety plans up to date and compliant with the regulations. I also work on the environmental side of things and make sure we're in compliant that way. We do a lot of training of the employees to make sure they understand the plans and they're following the procedures that we have written down. My favorite thing about the work I do here is working with people in training. I love the classroom setting, it's very fun. Just interacting with people on the floor. I also like that I'm not at my desk all the time. You know, there's a balance there where you have to be at your desk to do the plans and keep the paperwork in order, but then you also get on the floor for a lot of times. I chose UW-Marinette because it was extremely convenient. I got to stay home and live with my parents while I was going to school, so it saved a lot of money. And I was working in the area, so I got to keep my job. Choosing to go there allowed me to have an internship in the area, actually at a manufacturing company, where it opened my eyes to all the different departments and all the different jobs that you could have within that organization.
I think what keeps bringing me back to work every day is just working with a lot of positive people. The atmosphere is wonderful. There's always somebody to help you out when you have a problem. It's easy to go to any number of people here and discuss your issues, and they're very, very helpful. And I think there's a big sense of community here and accomplishment, and we take pride in what we do. I feel like I accomplish a lot in a single day, and to be able to go home and feel like I accomplished something positive for the company is great. Because of the small atmosphere that I was so used to in high school with having such close friends and just being close to everybody in my class as well as my teachers, I was looking for that kind of same experience with a college, close to home, small class sizes, very personable and inviting.
Going from UW-Marinette to maybe some classes at UW-GB, you could tell that you got a lot more attention there, and were able to really interact with the professors. The campus was amazing. It was very small. I liked the science wing. It was my favorite area to be in. They had good tools and small class size, and they were easy to understand, easy to do. You could stay later and work on your projects if you needed to.
I feel like I'm a better person for having to experience different classes. It's opened my mind to different possibilities around the world, different cultures. You know your life is more positive by having an education because you have so many more doors open for you. You have so many more opportunities.